God lives and breathes in the thing. God cares about it all. Like the range of God's love is like all flesh, like everything, which is why there's like a bird, not a person on the cover. It's like all flesh. Okay. And then what if what God wants isn't like to punish people or change them or get some kind of cosmic beat down on everything that disappoints God? Like what if like the spirit of love that's behind everything ultimately is like wants to contend with us for a universe that looks more like shalom? So like that's what the book's about. I mean, it's about a lot of things, but it's about trying to get to a little more wellness, goodness, wholeness, healing, something for like just the universe.
Just a small thing.
Big, with your first bet. Shoot big. So yeah.